Hey there! It's time to make a restaurant-style salsa recipe that everyone loves. I'm Erleen Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie from ErleenTilton.com. If you want a personalized health plan and learn how to start eating healthy, start by taking the free health assessment in the description below. This is a yummy restaurant salsa recipe or Mexican hot sauce recipe. You'll love the flavor, the simplicity, and the clean ingredients that will help you improve gut health naturally. So let's begin in our blender bowl. And we're going to add 1 14-ounce can fire roasted diced tomatoes, 1 cup sliced pickled jalapenos drained, and a half of a yellow onion cut into chunks, 2 green onions cut up, 3 cloves garlic, 1½ teaspoon salt, 3/4 teaspoon pepper, and 4 drops of lime essential oil. Then we're going to blend this for 30 seconds or more, not too fine. Then stop your blender and add 1 more 14-ounce can of fire roasted diced tomatoes and a half a bunch of fresh cilantro. Blend this again for 15 to 20 seconds, but not too fine again. And then chill well to blend flavors and serve with your favorite Mexican food favorites. Let me tell you, this is a wonderful, wonderful salsa. Everyone loves it. What questions do you have? Please ask in the comments below and tell me what you'd like to see more of. Then like and subscribe. As a health and weight loss coach of many years, I help people like you improve gut health naturally by starting with the free health assessment in the description below. So take that next step, and thank you for watching.